Here comes Thomas, the tank engine trike. Look at that. Here comes Thomas.
Thomas.
Look at that. Look. This Thomas, you can see it right here. You can see the trikes. And here comes Thomas. Oh, look at that. The Thomas little car. Look at this beautiful Thomas car. Alright, here comes Thomas the car. How do you like it? Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round, all through the town. Look at this rocking one. This is Lightning McQueen rocking right on. So let me show all the activities that this.
Number one, blue engine.
Oh, it has. You see that?
Clattering carriages.
It has lots of buttons here, including this. Look at this, how he is playing with those. You can see James, Percy, and Thomas. Does it have whistle? He likes the light one. Looks like he likes both. Which one you like, Imran? You like the tricycle or you like the car? Close the door, Imran. You know, starting to close the door. Yeah, good job. Both of them are playing with Thomas. Oh, why did you open the door? Oh, look how he's going. Look what he's doing. Here comes the Thomas trike. Hey. Look how he's pushing it. Here comes Imran with Thomas' car. Look at this. Here you can see the rear side, and let me show the buttons. Two buttons. And look, this is the door. You can open the door. Both doors can be open, and you can also close the door. At the back you can see Thomas and James. On the top there is a mirror. Let's close the door. And this is a big Thomas head here in front. Play with Thomas.